Hey guys, it's Dhruva. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you have been a part of my journey, or if you have been following me for a while, then you know that fitness is a part of my life. Working out is a part of my daily routine. I started working out a year and a half ago. I started going to the gym. Before that, I used to do yoga. So I was pretty consistent since I joined my gym, but then COVID happened and now I do home workouts. I follow Chloe Ting's workout routines. So either ways, I always make it a point that I'm working out, doing some sort of physical activity and involving that in my daily routine. So if you talk about my fitness goals, it was never to lose weight or be thin or any of those things. I always wanted to be fitter, stronger, healthier. So my goals, my fitness goals were very clear. I am not chasing a slim six-pack ab body, but I just want to be a healthier version of myself, a stronger version of myself. So while I was working out in the gym, I used to do a lot of strength training exercises, and that's when my trainer recommended me to go for additional supplement and have whey protein and include it in my diet. And so that's when I started having protein supplements for the first time, and there are a couple of reasons why I felt it was a good idea to include an additional dietary supplement and make it a part of my diet and have that post-workout. Eating enough protein is not just for athletes. It is necessary for a healthy immune system and required for organs like your heart, brain, and skin to function properly. The nutrient is touted for its ability to help control appetite and enhance muscle growth. How much protein you need typically depends on your exercise routine, age, and health. Protein is one of the building blocks of bone, muscle, and skin. Protein powder is a popular nutritional supplement. Protein is an essential macronutrient that helps build muscle, repair tissue, make enzymes, and hormones. Using protein powder may also aid weight loss and help people tone their muscles. Protein also helps in weight management. Eating protein-rich foods and taking supplements may help people feel fuller for longer. Feeling full tends to result in smaller portion sizes and less frequent snacking, which can help a person maintain a healthy weight or lose weight if necessary. Protein is also essential for muscle growth. As well as contributing to muscle growth, protein can also help repair damaged tissues and muscles. So for today's video, I have partnered with Just Her. It is whey protein but with additional herbs, and it's made specially for women. Just Her protein with herbs can be a really good health partner when it comes to weight management. It provides 20 grams of high quality whey protein, which helps in keeping you fuller for a longer period of time. This ultimately helps in avoiding the intake of unwanted calories and keeping your cravings under control. It has only 1.4 gram of fat with no added sugar, artificial sweeteners, or any other harmful additives, which ensure that clean nutrition is delivered to you. To further support your weight management goals, it has beneficial herbs like cumin, fennel, green tea, and garcinia. These herbs together help in improving your digestive and metabolic health. If you work out regularly like me, then you can definitely take this health drink post your workout sessions, as it helps in repairing your muscles and building lean muscles. Also guys, this is a 500 grams of tub, and since it's enriched with Ayurvedic blends and herbs, it has way more benefits. It will help in increasing your immunity, reduce your stress, give a boost to your metabolism and digestion. It will help in hormonal balance, increase your bone strength. It's good for your hair and your skin and will give you lots of energy. So it says that recommended one serving a day. So the first step is to add 1 level scoop to 200 ml of milk or water. I'm adding a little less than 200 ml, and I'm adding water over here, and I've taken it all in a shaker, and then I'm going to shake it for 15 to 30 seconds. And yeah, it's that simple. Also, this is soy free, no added sugar, no artificial flavors or sweeteners. It's preservative free and it's gluten free as well. And yeah, that's it. My protein shake is ready, and I'm just going to quickly pour it in this glass over here. So I have my protein shake over here, and I'm going to give you guys a taste test. So let's see how it tastes. Okay, so it really tastes like chocolate milk. I have made it in water, but I feel I'll be making it in milk the next time, because then it will be a typical chocolate milkshake. It tastes really good. So if you are someone who is working out regularly or is doing any sorts of physical activity for that matter, then you should definitely consider including whey protein in your diet. And I would highly recommend this product. I'll leave all the links about the products and all the details about it in the description box below, so you can check it out. I'll also leave their website and probably their Amazon link for ordering the product. So all of those would be in the description box below. So yeah, that's about the video. I feel I'll just sum it up over here. Thank you so much for watching. Also, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share this video, press that little bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video goes live on the channel. And I'll see you another time. Till then, bye.